So the kind of things we include in our final report, we're going to outline the findings that we have. So generally, we will list off the different units that are at the plant if we have a full list. And then we're going to highlight specific units with photos and lists of things that we found that are outstanding. Then we'll list general things that we found perhaps that are on multiple units, and we'll list those all together to keep to keep that section of the report short and concise, but also full of important details. Then we're going to list our recommendations for each system or for each problem, whatever makes the most sense to make it the most concise, the easiest to read and reference. And then at the end, we're going to have additional information in our appendix, perhaps explaining some recommendations, perhaps providing additional guidance on how to implement something. For example, specific details on how to set the controllers if that was a problem we identified, or how to size the ductwork, perhaps. And then we will almost always include with our reports a proposal, quotes, for either equipment or material that's been quoted or design project. We'll usually include that in the end so that you right away have pricing and understanding of what the scope and cost is going to be for each of those recommendations that we give you.